Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. MXP signing here again. Today is unboxing day. I've received these two parcels from Tech, a gimbal for smartphone, and I think this is an accessory to put magnetic phones on the gimbal. So let's unbox it right away and I give you my first impression. So here is the Vimble 3 from Tech. I'm gonna unbox it right away. So let's use my knife. I'm really impressed by the way the way Apple has made other manufacturers paying attention to their packagings, the way they are giving and providing gear with a better experience. So it really looks like any DJI gimbal, the Osmomobile. You have here all the documentation and folded. It doesn't take that much space. For instance, here is my Fontel compared to the Vimble, so really great size. You have an extra mount down here, something to carry it with you. It's a pretty good quality. I think you can take both with you and don't have to embarrass yourself when putting out. You have an extra cable down here, but the things are going to be very well protected, I think, in this case. So let's move it out of the frame. So here is a kind of tripod. You unfold it. It's taken place. And just to put the gimbal on, it can be locked or unlocked. For instance, I think all the buttons, since very plastic, it's not soft, but I think it's gonna be quite resistant. The wall seems a bit odd at the very beginning. And first thing to do is to put here the camera direction. It's giving you all the information you need about how you put your phone on. So let's try it with my phone. So here it is. And I'm gonna turn it on, trying to find the right button. And I think it's the power mode. Here, no, here it is. So you see there is a green light, like any DJI product. Obviously it's on. I can use here the stick to rotate my gimbal. I think there are other modes, and you need to turn the app on. Just to be sure that you're good to go, and you can set your custom directions here. You get extra button, which basically this one is to bring back the button. So what I will do first is install the app, put everything, try to make some content with it. In the next video I will show you it in action. I'm just gonna put it on the sticker down here, and as you can see, by just pressing the buttons, you have everything you need right out of the hand. It seems very handy and practical when you need to have a gimbal with you. It's not that heavy at the first sight, even if you put this extra mount out, and you can use it as a vlog stick. And I think I'm gonna bring it with me in the whole day. Gonna replace either my selfie stick or the gimbal I'm carrying. So 2 gear in one, which is it's gonna be perfect. If you saw my previous video about how all the gear I'm carrying with me, you know that I love light things and carrying as less as possible. And I will come back to you once I've use it enough to give you a real feedback on how I'm doing things and the content I've created with it. But so far I'm pretty impressed by the quality. Even if it's plastic, it's very light, and all the command seems to be at the right way and close to the health. So thanks again for UTech for sending me this Vimble 3. Here it is, the Vimble 3. And I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. If you do, as always, give me a thumbs up, turn on the bell, turn on the notification, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Quick addition to what was inside. The yellow parcel. It's a magnetic light. Let's try to take the focus here. It's a magnetic light made by UTech. All you need to do here, if you need extra light, all you need to do is to remove it from the box. Then what you have with you in this little purse, it's an extra light which is magnetic. So you can just put here on your gimbal, connect to your phone, or here, down here, if I fold it again, you just have to connect it here. And once you've done everything on, so let's put my phone back on it. So if I turn here the gimbal on, so here it is. You have this magnetic light down here. You can turn it on. So here is the light, and you can adjust here the light color and the light itself. You can just turn it, rotate the way you want, and since it's magnetic, it's holding firmly here on the gimbal. So very practical for this extra light. If just you need something to vlog, I'm gonna turn it off. You can adjust the intensity. Very practical. Okay, so finally that's it for this video. I'm just maybe gonna show you how you can unfold and fold it once again. So remove my phone, remove this. It's USB-C, so I think you can plug it on every USB-C battery, extra battery you have, but it doesn't have its own battery. But it doesn't have its own battery down here. And to fold it, it's very easy. You have to align both here. Once again, be sure that this part here is aligned to that one. Just adjust here the gimbal to it, and that's fine. That's done. You've secured your gimbal very easily. So once again, if you like my content, so thanks again at UTech for providing me this gimbal. I think I'm gonna use it right away to make content with it, and stay tuned on my Instagram to see what content you can make with such kind of gimbal, and I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you do like my content, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and follow me on Instagram to see all the content you can make with drone. Stay tuned.